So right now, let's say you're using Zillow or one of the other online portals, but right now we're going to be talking about Zillow. So winnerscheck.org/Z for our masterclass on it. But here's what I would consider. If you're looking to buy a home, whatever the price range, there are 3 threshold areas that you want to find out from the listing agent before you choose to work with a buyer's agent, or before you choose to work with a listing agent, or before you go see the home. And you're only going to get these answers from the listing agent. So you want to make sure when you're on Zillow or these other sites, and I'll have a video about that, you want to work with the listing agent, and the listing agent directly, not the brokerage, not the up desk at the brokerage where someone's going to act like they know something, not all those buyer's agents or the contact agent forms. You want to bypass all that and go to the listing agent, get the listing agent phone number. I tell you how to do that in the course. Now, you want to find out if you have competition right now or if they're expecting any. So call up the listing agent, you say you're a buyer, you try to establish a little rapport first, say, do you have any offers right now? Are you expecting any? Are you representing any buyers? Now, there's also 2 other areas that will come from that. Like, you want to establish rapport and expertise and show you're a desirable buyer. I show you how to do that. You're going to have different sets of questions for pool homes, view homes, golf course homes, solar homes, and you're going to have questions directly about the property. And by the way, solar is awesome because they're frequently 5 or 10% underpriced. I talk about that in the masterclass. And then finally, if you can, you're going to use procuring cause as leverage to become the winning bidder in a multiple offer situation, or to share the buyer agent referral fee, whether you choose to work with buyer's agents or listing agents. And I talk about when and why in the course. So winnerscheck.org/Z. That's all you got to do. Or go to winnerscheck.org and maybe you'll be able to click around. But winnerscheck.org/Z, or click the link if you're seeing this as an ad. My name's John McConnin. I will talk to you later. I'm an attorney and a broker with a lot of experience. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.